So you want to get smarter? Good news, no PhD required. Bad news, watching 3 hours of TikToks won't help. Being smart isn't just about grades or trivia. It's about thinking critically, learning fast, and adapting. And guess what? Science says you can train your brain to do that. Reading is still the #1 way to boost your brain power. Fiction helps you empathize and expands your vocabulary. Non-fiction makes you a walking Wikipedia. But don't just read, apply what you learn. Your brain loves usefulness. If you don't use what you read, it's just a fancy bedtime story. Read about fixing a car? Try it, or at least simulate it in your head. Visualization actually activates the same brain regions as real practice. Exercise isn't just for six-packs. Studies show cardio boosts memory, learning, and decision-making. Lifting weights is great, but jogging might actually raise your IQ. Here's a weird one. Play an instrument, even if you're bad at it. Music lights up areas of the brain tied to memory, focus, and creativity. And no, Guitar Hero doesn't count. Want to go beast mode? Learn a new language. Bilingual people have more gray matter in the brain, aka more brain power. Plus, flexing your Duolingo streak kind of feels powerful. Another underrated hack? Talk to people smarter than you. Yes, it might bruise your ego, but that's where real growth happens. Just don't be the guy who corrects everyone at dinner. Last but not least, use what you learn. Read, move, speak, repeat. Smarts aren't gifted, they're built. And if you made it this far, congrats. You're already getting smarter. Subscribe so you don't accidentally get dumber tomorrow.